Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss creation of threads by using method references. Anyway, it is possible to create the thread by using thread class and runnable interface. In the runnable interface, one abstract method run is there. So for implementing this run method, we are using different ways. One is directly implementation class, another one is anonymous inner class, another one is lambda expression. Now another one is method references. We know the method references. What is method references? One interface with one abstract method is there. Now this interface is attached with body of a class which consists of a constructor or an instance method or a static method. So the abstract method is attached with body of either a constructor or an instance method or a static method, and there is no relationship between the class and the interface. Such type of connection is called method references. Now, what I am doing? Observe, here I will write down one class sample1. Assume within that class I will write down one method cal1. I will write down one method cal1 and create one more class sample2. Assume within this class I will write one method cal2. Now create one class sample3. Here I have one method cal3. Here instead of single class, I will take 3 classes. Now my concept is run method is attached with this body. Run method is attached with this body. Run method is attached with this body. This is the point. Now coming to this program, what I am doing? Create 3 different classes. Assume I will create 3 classes. Sample1 that implements runnable interface. But here I am not doing all these things. I am not writing this one. Instead of this one, I will take, to avoid confusion, I will take another classes sample4. Within sample4, I will write down one just basic logic. What is my logic? So this is the logic that we discussed from day one. This is a logic that we discussed day one. Now, this is not run method. Assume the method name is CA, whatever it is. Now, this is the my method name. Clear my point? Here, this is not a thread. Remember, here I am not using any implements runnable. So, this is not a thread. Like this, I will create one more class, new class. Assume the class name is some sample5. Within this class, I will write down one method calc2. Okay, this is sample2. Again, remember, this is also not a thread. Whenever you are using implements runnable, then only that is a thread. Then only that is a thread. So, like this, if you want, you can create another class. Till now, I am using three threads. So, right now also, I am using 3 threads, sample6. Write down. Here, assume my method name is calc3. Now, you got the point? Within the run, within some method, I return some logic. Return some logic. Now, apply the concept of method references. How? Inside to new class, create one class, demo thread T4 with main method. With main method. Here within this one, what I am doing? Within this one, you need to provide the relationship between the abstract method, the relationship between the abstract method and this particular body, like this. Directly I will write down. How to write? New thread of dot start. You already know how to simplify. Instead of creating a thread object, assign the thread object. That means what is the procedure? The procedure is, instead of using runnable, some OB1 is equal to, what is the class name? Sample4 is the class name, double colon, what is that particular method name? CALC1. CALC1, that is the method name. That is the method name. Here, what I am doing, instead of creating all these objects, just I am doing static. You can use any type of method references, either static or instance or constructor. You can use any type. Static, make this one also static. Now, how do you write the method references? The interface name is OB runnable sample4. The interface name is runnable sample4 double colon the method name. Instead of writing this entire thing again, you need to create thread object. Thread T1 is equal to new thread of OB1, T1 dot start. Instead of wasting all this, directly within this one, I will write sample4 double colon, my method name is CAC1 dot start. So my class name is sample4, which consists of abstract method, which consists of static method, right? Save. Similarly, create another thread, new thread of, new thread of, what is the class name? My class name is sample5 double colon, what is my method name? CALC2. Just to write down my method name dot start of. Directly I am starting the thread. Directly I am starting the thread. Next, new thread of sample6 double colon, my method name is CAL3 dot start of. Here, sir, how I written this one? This is the syntaxes of method references. We already completed method references concept. How do we refer a static method? Here the meaning is, this static method CAL3 is attached with the body of the run method. Here you need to write import pack1 dot star. Actually, that is in another package. That is the reason here CAL. Now run this program. See, here you are getting the output. Observe, instead of writing the logic to the run method, By using the concept of method references, the run is attached with the body of any instance method, static method, and constructor. This is the concept of implementing runnable interface by using method references. Okay, that is the end of today's session. Thank you.